Updating your primary email on your Wells Fargo account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access Profile and Preferences. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile or Preferences section of your account. This is usually found in the main menu or under Account Settings. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile or Preferences section, look for an option labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as your primary contact. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Wells Fargo. Keeping your contact information updated is essential for account security and communication.